Oh, the tour's leaving without us.
The blanks then spill into this machine.
We better catch up with them before we miss something, right, Mr. Krabs? Oh! Mr. Krabs! I'm not sure how I feel about this sudden change. Good one, huh, Mr. Krabs? Ah! Watch out, Mr. Krabs!
Hello, my name is Eugene. What's yours? Do you believe in love at first sight?
Whew, that was close.
I'll say, I almost had that quarter's phone number.
Now, this machine here is where we destroy old money by means of shredding.
Pretty neat, huh, boy? That's where they... Destroy money! No! Why?
Oh, it's okay, sir. I'm sure. Wow. Mr. Krabs, it's okay. The shredded money is recycled and turned into brand new money, see?
It's a miracle!
Yay!
That is it. I have had enough of your nonsense. Guards, show these two good-for-nothing dawdlers out. Right now. Oh, my. Angry, thieving criminals aren't part of this tour. Take whatever you want.
Take care of them.
No problem, boss. Oh, no, you don't, you filthy dollar wrestler!
That didn't work at all.
That was easy.
Yep, sure was.